In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create videos using the video manager, in particular the video timeline. Now the video timeline will be made to make single videos, but videos that you have more control of in the sense that what image comes in what position, what video comes in what position as well. So let me show you exactly how to use this, and I'm sure you'll get an understanding of when you'd be using this as opposed to when you'd be using batch videos. So the very first thing you need to do is add your images inside of here. So I'm going to add my images, and you can either search online, which brings up the search functions for the videos, for the images, or you can search from a folder. I'm going to search from a folder. I'll use exactly the same images, to be honest. So I'm going to select a bunch of these videos here. I'm going to hold down the shift key so all of the selection is selected, and I'm going to click on open. So that's 3 images that have been added inside of here. What I can do now with each image is I can click on edit, and when I click on edit I have a whole image editor. I can add text blocks, so if I wanted to add text in here I can add text in here as well. I can delete the text block if I want as well, and I can add images as well. If I want to add images, then you've got an image block that's come here, and over in the timeline or in the layered section you can add and choose whatever image you want. We won't be adding any images or anything in there, but what happens is when you have, let's say, a text block and a text block here, you can actually have this layered, so you can select this one here and have this one to come up, so this one will come over that. So anyway, you can, this works with layers and everything on here, exactly like the viral image wizard, and you can animate your text and everything that you want from here, which is absolutely brilliant. Okay, what we'll do though is we'll close out of here. Inside of here now you can actually choose what transition you want for this actual image. So you can put this and select it on whatever transition you want, so left, right transition. You can select the actual background effect on here as well, so we can say pan, bottom, right. On this one we can say we want a fade transition, and we want this one to zoom. On this one we can say we want this left tilt transition, and we want this one to, I don't know, top right pan zoom. What we can do here as well is we can remove it. If we wanted to remove an image, we can obviously add another image. Let's add another image in here. Okay, or we can choose and change the position. So if we wanted this image to come to the end, we can click this arrow here and it'll move the image over to the end. We can add videos in here as well if we want to mix videos. So let's go over to those internet clips. I'll add just the one video inside of here. I can move the video over, so we can have the video as the very first one, followed by 3 images. You don't get a choice of the transition and the effects on the video, because the second image will actually confirm, or the previous image will confirm what that would be. Now if you want to import images, say if you had loads of images in here and you wanted to import images to the right of this image here, then you can click this add images and they'll be added to the right of it, and you can import to the left as well. What you can do as well is change how long you want this image to show for. So you might want this one for 2 seconds, you might want this one for 5 seconds, you might want this one for say 3 seconds. Now if you wanted to change them all, you can use this section here. So let's change it all for 10 seconds, update all, and all of them have been updated for 10 seconds. If you wanted to change all the transitions to be exactly the same, so you wanted something like a blur transition on them all, you click update all, and all of them have had the blur transitions. You can add your audio tracks from here. You can actually choose what audio you want in here. So for example, choose this. You can then choose to add audio and loop the audio. You can enable intro and outro clips, so you can add your intro and outro clips in here if you want to work with them. Video settings, you can make it web optimized. You can choose, again guys, if you've got videos in here, this needs to be set on MPG. You can choose the video size, you can choose the zoom effects. Now the zoom effects, sorry, the zoom speed is the speed for the zoom in or the pan effects, top left, top right, and blur effects and whatnot. And then what you can do is obviously choose the video size and the quality and how many threads you want to work with, your save location, and then process videos. And of course if you've got more images in here as well, so let's add some more images in here. Okay, then you can actually use this here as well as well as the scroll bar to move left to right as well. So anyway, this is how you work with single video. Let me just quickly show you how you can work with batch videos using text to speech as well. So in step 1, you've got step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 again. Now we've got many more updates that are still to come to this text to speech version, because it's not syncing with any text, so you're not going to see any text on here, but you can add your article on here. So whatever your article was, I don't know if I got anything here. No, I haven't. Okay, so anyway, you can add your article on here. You can choose whatever from your drop down menu and your voice options and everything here. And then what you can do is add your images. So you add background images, intro images, outro images, and audio. You don't have any voiceovers for this, because the voiceover will be the actual text to speech, which this is going to convert for you. And then watermarking, you can add your watermarking, whatever. You can add your video, you can change your video configuration, use all your timelines or whatever, and then save and process. Now again, as mentioned to you, my preferred method is to create my text to voice from here, create multiple variations, and then use batch video and add it as a voiceover, and add my audio tracks here as well, because I just find I have much more control over the videos and the quality that comes out from here, as opposed to what you have here. So anyway, this is how you work with the video manager. And anyway, let me just quickly show you what you can do with the video manipulation, optimization, and merger tab as well. So here you've got 3 tabs. The video manipulation, what you can do here is you can add a video. Once you've added the video, you can go over to settings and you can split that video. So let's say, for example, you had a 10-minute video and you wanted to make 10 videos 1 minute each in size, but as you can see, we've only got a video that's 2 minutes and 6 seconds, which I've added in there. But what you do is when you've added your video in there, you'd be able to see how long your video is. You can check split video, and the software is automatically going to say up to 2 minutes and 6 seconds, so you can split the video, so it's one whole full video. But you can say no, start from 00, and split it at 1 minute. Okay, and then you can add another one as well. Okay, and you can say start the video at 1 minute and split it at 2 minutes, and I think it was 6 seconds that we had. Okay, and then we can click on apply. Okay, so we'll go to 5. Oops, okay, so this is the duration, sorry. So how long do you want the duration to split the video for? So I'm saying split the video for 1 minute. So this as well, I'm going to say split it for 1 minute. So basically I'm telling the software on this one here, start at 1 minute and split it for 1 minute. So it's going to be 1 minute altogether. So that's how that would work there. You can use the audio stream from the video, or you can add your own audio once you've split the videos and everything in there as well. And you can overlay with an original audio as well, and you can loop the audio if you was to do that. Then obviously you'd have to add the file first. You can add your own watermarks in there as well, own URLs in there, your own image as a watermark as well. This is on top of videos, already videos that you've got and you want to split and whatnot you. And you can optimize it as a MP4 file. What you can do as well is obviously you can split the video and then you can merge it. So you might have a video that's 20 minutes long and you might get 1 minute from 5 minutes, 1 minute from 10 minutes, 1 minute from 20 minutes, and then merge them. So you've got 3 clips from different parts of the video that is 3 minutes long, because you merged them all together afterwards. And then you go ahead, process the video. So this is how you'd work with this. You can add intro images and outro images to the video clips as well, which is absolutely superb. Video optimization. This is when you'd add a video. Let's just choose a video and I'll show you how this works. Got a quick internet clip here. Okay, so this is a video folder. You can add an audio folder as well, and then you can check these checkboxes here. Replace with new audio. So every single video inside of there will be replaced with all the audio inside of this folder. You can extract the audio from video, so you wouldn't select this, and you'd have a video folder in there, and you'd take the audio out of the actual video and create audio tracks. Or you can optimize the video. So you might have loads of MPG videos and you want to create them all as MP4. So you can change them all to MP4s. You can enable the video size, so you might want to resize the videos, or you might want to convert the video from MP4, MPV, whatever you got down here. Video merger. Now what this allows you to do is, let's say for example you have one video and you've got multiple intro and outro clips. What you can do is add the video inside of here, so for example this video here, and then you can have enable intro and outro clips. So we'll do intro clips. We can actually choose multiple ones down here. We'll choose all these, let's just say for example, and outro clips will do all the same as well. Okay, we don't want that, do we? Okay, so I'm holding down the shift key here, and what we can do now is say add intro and outro to all. So what this means is it's going to take this video, and then it's going to take an intro clip, and it's going to take an outro clip, and it's going to add it to the video, and then it's going to go through again, and it's going to do exactly the same. So this is how you can get multiple intro and outro clips added to the one video. Now if you got 10 videos and you want to add intro and outro clips to all, then you can add all 10 videos inside of this timeline. So you go to videos, you'd add all 10 videos or whatever you want inside of this timeline. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so you add all the videos inside of here, you add your intros and outro folders, add intro and outro to all, and you'd be able to add intro and outro clips to every single one of these multiple times using all of the videos inside of, and the intro and outros inside of here, which is absolutely great as well. And of course, when you want to work with this, guys, again, instead of exiting out of the software, you can clear all videos, and then that will allow you to start again fresh to work with these. So you can actually remove all these here if you wanted to remove them, or you can just click on add and you can add the video down here. Okay, same is true with every single tab down here. So let me just show you the batch videos. In batch videos, save and process, you can click on clear input selection, click on yes, and everything will be cleared down here. In video timeline, you can also click all images, and everything would be cleared down here. Now of course from here you can click on add. Alternatively, if you wanted to remove all these thumbnails or areas, then you can click on remove and you can start again adding images and whatnot to you as well. So anyway, this is how you work with this. Super simple, super easy, straightforward, and in the next video I'll be showing you how to create thumbnails.